everything that you do, i.e., the way that you present yourself in business, your business cards, your social media posts, everything that you do inside your business is building your brand. And that's either in a great way or in a not so great way. So if you actually think about how your brand is aligned right now and how you're showing up in the world, whether it's on your personal Facebook page, your Instagram, your Twitter accounts, whatever, LinkedIn, especially LinkedIn, for us business owners, whatever way you're presenting yourself, i.e. pushing out information, is the way people are perceiving you. And even if you have people on your Facebook personal page and you're off on a rant inside of your personal Facebook page, think about this a little bit, because unless that rant is aligned with your brand and you're really like open and free when it comes to certain topics and conversations, that might suit your brand and that might be totally okay and amazing that you align that way, but most of us don't. So consider this. I just joined up with a brand group because I need to get my brand in alignment, because my current logo right now is a logo that I made for myself, and it's not made for my ideal clients. It was made for me, literally, because I put in a high heel shoe in it. And that is so who I am. But now I need to shift gears into an aspect. I got really clear last year about who I am, what I provide, what that looks like for companies, and now I have to shift my brand. So everything that I push out, the same thing goes. How am I positioning myself inside the marketplace? What are people seeing when it comes to me? You know, when it comes to the information I push out. And the same thing has to happen for you. So if you have not done an analysis on your brand, if you have not looked into shifting or changing things, I had this conversation this week. You are the brand. Whether you're an interior designer, whether you are a basketball player, whether you are an influencer online or an aerobics instructor or a fitness coach, it doesn't matter. You're the brand. So we need to brand you. You as the person driving and leading that business model. And even if there is 15 other people inside your business, it doesn't matter. You are the brand. So how are you promoting? How are you pushing it out into the world? And how are people seeing you inside of your brand is the question today. It's February the 1st. If you're watching this video after that, I apologize that this video is in the past. But it's February the 1st. We've gone through 1 month already in this year. You haven't lost yet. Get started no matter what. Just start stepping into alignment to shift the things you need to change, because time's going by fast, my friends. See you soon.